Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to clear cache on Picsart. There are two different ways you can delete your cache data from your Picsart application, that is from your device's settings menu or from your Picsart application itself. So if you want to do it from your Picsart app, simply tap open the Picsart application and then from the main home page, click on the human icon at the bottom right hand corner. This will bring up the profile page from where you will need to select and tap on the three dots at the top right hand corner. In the expanded pop-up menu at the bottom, click on Settings. Under the Settings menu, scroll down and click on Clear Web Cache under Content. Click on OK in the pop-up and you will be able to clear out the cache data from your Picsart application. You can also go ahead and open up your device's settings and from the Settings menu find General. Under General, click on iPhone Storage. Under iPhone Storage, look for Picsart Application and click on Offload App. In the pop-up, click on Offload App once again, and this will offload your application from your device. Now click on Reinstall App in order to get the app back again. This will free up the storage used by the app, but it will keep its documents and data safe and secure. Installing the app again will reinstate your data if the application is still available in the App Store. So once you do that, once you complete the process for the Picsart application's reinstalling, you will then be able to fresh start with your application. That is how you can easily clear cache on Picsart. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.